you ready? Hi, Pop Pop. Say hi, Pop Pop.
Hi, Papa.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mama.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Say, if Mommy said, I want to go get ice cream, and Daddy would say,
Me too.
what does Lil say?
Me too.
Say, me too.
Me too.
Yeah. Can you
Me
point?
too.
Can you point to your nose? Can you point to your eyes? Can you point to your mouth? Point to your ears? Can you say hello?
Hello.
What does
No,
a
that's
cow
easy.
say? What does a cow say?
Moo.
And
That's right.
what does a monkey say?
Ooh, ooh.
Ooh. And what does a chicken do?
Papa.
Right.
What does a fishy say?
Right. All right. Say bye-bye, Pop Pop.
Papa, Papa.
Bye-bye, Mom.
Mama, Papa, Mama.
Say I miss you. But wait. No, press keys. Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Say I'm going to go night-night.
Oh, no, no.
I'm going to go night-night. Bye-bye. Oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.